What are you doing?
I'm trying to find net income.
Do you know how to find net income?
It's revenues minus expenses.
Okay, if you have a revenue of $2,000, a rent expense of $500, an advertising expense of $250 and a utilities expense of $350, what is your net income?
It sounds like our net income should be $900, right?
Do you know how to fill out an income statement?
No, I do not. Can you show me?
Sure, I will show you.
I will now show you how to prepare an income statement. First you list your revenues. Then you list your expenses from the largest amount to the smallest. Then if you have multiple expenses you add them all together and subtract that total from your revenue. This will give you your net income.
That is interesting. Thank you for showing me how to find net income and showing me how to fill out an income statement, Joey.
No problem, Joanna.
Whoa. I found net income.
Good job, Joanna. Remember also, net income appears on the owner's equity statement. Not only the income statement,